Hey, you're on. Is it on?
Yeah.
All right. Now, there's Travis and Brooke, and there's our condo right behind them. Is that cool or what? Yeah, it's Ray Jimin. Oh, yippee! Oh. Picture. Oh, there he is, right there. Right in the movie camera.
Hi, Brooke.
They're doing fine. They're watching the Dolphins. Oh, Travis is pointing at them. Oh, right in front of us. I think they got. Oh, there they are, right next to us. Go camera. Fish are jumping, and the cotton is high. Movie. Oh, good.
Woo,
Movie. Yeah. Brooke's butt hurts. You're immortalized though. Now everybody knows your butt hurts. What happens tonight goes on YouTube tomorrow.